Today, we're exploring the Arckit and SamLabs Smart Design Pack, a new product that brings together architectural modeling, sustainability, and physical computing. What makes it different? Well, it gives students the tools to imagine, build, and code smart systems that mirror the world around them. Let's take a closer look. Here's a big question that STEAM educators face. How do you combine hands-on design, coding, and real-world problem-solving in a way that actually sticks with students? That's exactly what the Smart Design Pack was built to do. In many schools, STEAM is taught in silos. Science, tech, and engineering are often separated or taught inconsistently. Though architecture is a powerful entry point for teaching design concepts and problem-solving, it's rarely accessible in STEM programs, especially when paired with physical computing, as it can be difficult to find resources. Enter the Smart Design Pack. It's a first-of-its-kind collaboration between Arckit and SamLabs. It combines physical modeling with programmable hardware, where students can design residential or commercial smart buildings with Arckit, and then automate them using SamLabs' wireless coding blocks and visual programming tools. It's a unified experience designed for creativity, collaboration, and scaffolded learning. The Smart Design Pack includes 10 Arckit Go Eco Kits, SamLabs hardware for 30 students, school-wide access to SamLabs coding platforms, and a complete 10-lesson unit. Every lesson includes a teacher's guide, design workbook entry, slide deck, and clear instructions. Simple enough to open, preview, and teach. Students start with challenges, sketch and build their structures, and then bring them to life with coding, adding smart features like automated fans or lighting. Each lesson builds in complexity, starting with simple systems to build to far more advanced challenges, like wind turbines and sun-tracking solar panels. By the time they reach their final capstone, they're ready to pull it all together to design and code a fully functional, sustainable building with their group, combining creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving every step of the way. It's creative, it's hands-on, and it's built to scale up with every lesson. What makes this course so effective is the simplicity of the lesson structure. Everyone follows the same clear rhythm. Engage, apply, reflect. Students start with a quick warm-up or inquiry activity, then dive into drafting and building and coding their system. At the end, they pause to reflect using their designer workbook to help them draft, record, and think critically about what worked, what didn't, and what they'd improve on next time. That consistent flow builds confidence and helps them carry forward what they learn, so that by the time they reach that final project, they're pulling from everything that they've already explored. So how does something like this move from a good idea to something that actually creates change? That's a question we've been asking since the beginning, because for this to be truly transformational, it has to work in real classrooms with real students and teachers across a wide range of settings. And that's what we're starting to see. This year, schools across North Carolina, Colorado, and Ohio have added the Smart Design Pack to their programs, integrating it into electives, sustainability units, and CTE pathways. We're excited to follow their journey to see how students bring these concepts to life within their own communities. The Smart Design Pack is more than a kit. It's a unified, holistic experience. Sustainability is embedded throughout, from recyclable Arckit materials to lessons on energy use, lighting, and water conservation. It's modern design thinking made tangible. It isn't just a product, it's a platform for possibility. By engaging in authentic design challenges, they're building critical skills, creative confidence, and the mindset grounded in innovation. With the Smart Design Pack, students aren't just imagining change, they're building it. The future is student-built. Let's give them the tools to shape it.